Sup YouTube, this is Elijah here, coming at you with another video from the uberlifestyle.com, your one-stop shop for all things rideshare, delivery, customer, passenger, you name it. Now you probably noticed right off the bat, hey, ain't there something a little different about this video? What could it be? Well, it's actually going to tie into the subject of the video. A lot of y'all been telling me, man, these Ubereats, they don't tip well. The passengers don't tip well. Now, there are some things that you can do if they aren't not tipping, and I'll cover that in another video. But right off the bat, what do you notice different about me? I mean, compare my other videos to what you see here. Man, my physical appearance isn't really up to par, is it? And it looks like I haven't shaved in about a week. My locks, they look all messed up like they ain't been done in a few months. It's actually probably been like a month and some change. But I'm doing this on purpose to illustrate a point. See, in part 6 of the Ubereats Pro Driver course, I directly show you how to maintain your high tips. Then I showed you about how many tips that I make on a weekly basis. Now, isn't it a surprise that the 1 week I'm not caring anything about this, I didn't make that steady between $20 to $60 in tips? Surprisingly, my most recent customer actually did break that because he gave me $7 actually. But he was in the hotel. I had to go up and go through a whole bunch of stuff, so he more or less felt obliged to. I call that a sense of duty tip. We're not talking about that. But I'm telling you, most people tip on how they feel. And how they feel is greatly influenced by how you're looking. So if you're not looking your best, a lot of times, it will have a direct impact on your earnings. And let's take a look at, what did I make in tips this week? You can count this if you want. I'm not, because I can tell that it had no influence on me at all. He was going to tip me regardless, because I had to go through, some crap to get to him. But take a look at this week versus the other weeks that I showed you. There's a big difference, right? So if you're not doing everything in your power to entice a tip, which includes keeping up with your physical appearance, because I mean, the wardrobe pretty much set, and this is a universal outfit, but this is not matching up to what people might consider, man, this guy was very professional. So before you start striking out on saying customers aren't tipping, make sure you're keeping this physical appearance up, because as you see, it makes a direct impact on your earnings. You're probably wondering, Elijah, that you really, not shave and not get your locks done just to make a point here? Yeah, I did. Y'all been saying this for a while, and a visual is better than just saying. So that cuts it for this video. You got any questions? Be sure to leave them below. A like, share, and subscribe is greatly appreciated. And if you're not done so, check out the part 6 of the Ubereats course and skip to the part where I talk about tips and how to keep those high. It's Elijah. Peace out.